explaining things I don't understand. Um, this tool is so amazing. You have heard of it probably, but perhaps you didn't pay attention to it. So it's from Google. It's an AI model that you can talk with real time. You can share your screen, talk with it live, get feedback, and so on. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna type Google. Just a second. Google AI Studio. Okay. Then hit enter. Now you should be logged in to access this with your Gmail. And once that is in place, you should be able to access this model. I mean, guys, this is so amazing. It's a game changer. You have no idea how much it takes to go through different web pages looking for information, only to waste about 5 hours, you get nothing. But with this, you can do it within your current tab. Just show Gemini what it is you're working on, and he's able to be your companion. Okay, so you would want to go to, once you are logged in Google AI Studio, as you can see, you would want to go to stream real time. Now here you have three options: talk to Gemini, show Gemini, and share your screen. My favorite is share your screen. So what you're able to do with this is Gemini is going to look at your screen and is able to go through the information just like a human would. Let's say your teacher or your tutor is able to, and then is able to give you real-time information and feedback, and you're able to be productive instead of wasting so much time going through different browsers and so on. So let me select that, and then here's the critical part. You would want to select entire screen, because what this helps you do is wherever your cursor is, that's where Gemini is able to look at. Okay, so I'll do that, and then I'll select this. Now let's wait for it. Hi Gemini. Hi Gemini. It's quite taking time.
Hi,
Okay.
Jim. What would you like to talk about today?
Okay, so I have an Excel file that I would want you to help me understand. Is that okay? Hello.
Okay, I hear you saying understand, understand, understand. Is there something specific you would like me to understand about the spreadsheet you are showing me?
Yes, so I want to calculate the total amount of total sales. How do I do it?
Okay, you're looking to calculate the total sales from your spreadsheet. Do you want me to explain how to do that in Excel?
Yes. Are you going to help?
Yes, I can.
Okay,
Can you
so
see
how do
that
I
now?
start? Yes.
Okay, I heard you say so. Are you ready for me to explain how to calculate the total sales in your spreadsheet?
Yes. Where do I start?
To calculate the total sales, you can start by selecting an empty cell at the bottom of your total sales column, and then use the SUM function to add up all of the values in that column. Would you like me to walk you through the exact steps?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, you're saying correct, correct, correct. Does that mean you've got the right cell selected and are ready to move to the next step of using the SUM function?
Yes. What is the next step?
The next step is to type equals sum into the selected cell. This will start the
Okay.
SUM function. After this, you will need to
Okay.
select the cells to sum. Do you want me to tell you how to do that?
Yes.
Okay, you've typed sum. Now, you need to add an open parenthesis. You can do that by
Okay.
typing. After that, you should select the range of cells containing the total sales you want to sum. Would you like me to walk you through that?
Yes. So walk me through it. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I see that you've typed equals sum into the cell. Now, click and drag your mouse from the first number in the total sales column, which is 1600, down to the last number, which is 800. This will select
Okay.
all the sales numbers you want to add up. Then you can close the parenthesis and press enter.
Okay, I did. What is the sum right now?
Okay, I see you have the formula in the cell. Now you will need to select the range of cells containing the total sales you want to sum. Click on cell H2, which contains the 1600 total sale. Now, while still holding the mouse button down, drag down to cell H11, which contains the $800 total sale, and then release the mouse button. Do you see how the formula
Is
changed to include the range H2, H11?
is it not G? Cell G. Because H is
Yes,
for customer name.
you did it. The total sales, 9,500, is displayed in the cell at the bottom of the total sales column. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes. So how about this one? Total.
Okay, I
So I
heard you
mean
say
price per
sales, sales,
unit.
sales. Is there anything
Uh,
else about the sales that you would like to discuss?
no, no, no. I want to look at quantity here. How do I come up with the sum of the quantity?
Okay, I heard you say, I mean. Are you going to ask me a question about price per unit?
Yes.
Okay, I heard you say quantity, quantity, quantity. Do you want to calculate something using the quantity data in your spreadsheet?
Yes. Anyway, guys, as you can see, our model is my network is so slow, but the idea here is to help you get started. As you can see, we can just copy the idea we got from um, what do you call it? From the total sales.
Okay,
That's how we can calculate. Um,
I hear you saying that your
s-
network is slow.
yeah, you are very slow. Um, okay, let me just. Okay, anyway, guys, let me just um, copy and then paste. Okay, so as you can see here, now of course you can later on, if you want, you can create charts. And then Gemini is able to do that, but just for the purposes of time and so on, I'm just gonna go real quick and insert. Let's see, recommended charts. What do we have here? Um, I think that one will be okay. Okay, we're good here. And you can even still use Gemini to also look at your Excel file and he's able to talk to you about it. You can look at the chart, you can give some analytics and so on. But since my network is so slow, I'll hold on. I'll probably create another video where I show you how to go through it, and then you can have feedback. One important thing here is we need a human in the loop approach. That means you have to validate that whatever the model is suggesting is true. You can ask it why it is suggested and gave is true or not. And then using your own questions, you're able to determine what is true, what is not, and then you're able to be productive. Instead of going through YouTube, let's say looking for how to, you can have customized tutorial feedback on your real-time information, and you're able to succeed. Anyway, back to our Gemini, you can see now here, you can see all the logs of what has been happening. You can go through each video, it captures what has been happening. It saves that. It also gives you the audio option where you can listen back and let's say you forgot how to do a certain part, and then you can just click the audio and then go through the previous process or step, and then the module here is not important for now. It's by default given to 2.4, 2.0, which is fine for now. And then you can choose the voice. Do you want to talk to is it Karen? Sharon? I don't know. You want to talk to Ko or Kore? I don't know. Hey, these names are interesting. But anyway, the most important thing here, if you can go to Google AI Studio, go to Stream Real Time, and then from there, select the window, um, and then share. So I hope this gives you an idea of how much you can do. And guys, you have no idea how much you can do with this. The important thing is just get started. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm also still exploring these things. But I hope it helps you guys and will help you succeed in your day-to-day activities. One important thing, don't forget to subscribe to that small channel where I show you tricks and tips to help you succeed. You could be an admin, you could be a student, you could be an executive. Guys, just go into AI, you'll be blessed. One more important thing, this is free. So why don't you get started when it is free? You never know. Google might later on change to a paid plan, but for now it's free. Dive into it and then